That's a beautiful thing. I'll tell you what else is a beautiful thing is the partnership that we have with the 150th running of the Kentucky Derby out here at Churchill Downs. We're going to be putting Danos on some menu items for you guys. So if you're out here, make sure you check it out. Let's go take a look around. Check it out, the twin spires. Those were built in 1895. That makes them 130 years old. Look, it's a black slate roof. But what y'all really want to see is right over here beyond this roof. Check this out. It's the new paddock area. Look at this, y'all. That looks super awesome. Check it out, y'all. We're on the 3rd floor. This place is so big. We got pizza, we got chicken, we got links, we got grill meaning like burgers and stuff, maybe some Dano's burgers. It's super cool. If you've never been to Churchill Downs, get out here, check it out. The place is huge. So look where we're at on the track right now. This is the 3rd floor. This is the Spires Terrace. I know this is where Tom Brady and Aaron Rodgers was like last year. We're not allowed to go up here right now, but I'm gonna get a peek. Oh yeah. Let me see that camera. Super cool. Millionaires Row. You don't have to be rich if you're flavor rich. This is the stakes room where a lot of owners hang out. We're on the 6th floor, the steward's office, track announcer, radio booth, but this one's my favorite, placing judges. So look, it's very simple, but there's one most important thing about this room. Look at this. They are smack dab right on the finish line. Let me give you a little betting advice. In the 3rd race, there's a 2-horse. His name's Little Yum Yum. That's what you're gonna wanna bet. I'm gonna go on and put the bet in for you. Good luck. This is cool because I'm a memorabilia guy too. They got photos of all the past Kentucky Derby winners. This is like the corporate office here at Churchill Downs. But look at this. The past Derby winners. Look at this one. Rich Strike. That's the one we sponsored at Belmont. Rich Strike. All right, so I'm getting ready to take you into what's the coolest thing we're going to see today. Low clearance. Do you have any idea where we're going? Low clearance. These guys step right in. This is the jockey suite. So you got some things. I can play ping pong, play some pool. They got a little gym area back there. This is what you're getting ready to see in here. Super cool. This is the locker room. This is it. In front of me might be the coolest thing we see all day. I know I keep saying that, but this is actually where the jockeys weigh in with their saddles and everything, because every saddle, like, you get the weight added. So let's see how much O'Dano weighs. Whoa, whoa, we almost broke it. Need to go on a diet. Right now, we're going into the infield. I know I keep saying that this is the coolest and this is the coolest. Well, this might be the coolest. Look at that. It's actual one special gate that they ordered from Australia that's actually got 20 gates on it, because it used to be a 14-horse gate and they added on an extra gate. So let's look at this a little closer. I'm in the gate. This is pretty cool, y'all. Pretty cool. Look, back here on the 3rd turn, I don't even know what this is doing here. I don't know what the purpose of it is, but it's my shack. Just saying. It's the finish line. Yeah. Check it out, what's going on. We got Danos on all the chips, putting Primo on the burgers. We're serving it up. Get a Primo burger with cheese and some Danos chips. Yum, yum, get you some of that. So we hope y'all enjoyed the little trip around Churchill Downs. And remember, when you're out here, get you some dang good chips and a dang good burger. We got the Primo on that. Yum, yum, get you some.